General Kenobi, years ago you served my father in the throne. Now he begs you to help him in his struggle against the Empire. I regret that I'm unable to present my father's request in person. My ship has fallen under attack, and I'm afraid my mission to bring it all around Spain. I have placed information vital to the survival of the rebellion into the memory systems of this R2 unit. My father will hold retreat. We must see this droid safely delivered to him. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You will need help.
Greetings, Exalted One. I'm Luke Skywalker, Jedi Knight and friend of Captain Solo. I seek an audience with your greatness to bargain for Solo's life. With your wisdom, I'm sure that we can work out an arrangement which will be mutually beneficial and enable us to avoid any unpleasant complication. As a token of my goodwill, I present to you a gift. These two droids. Both are hardworking and will serve you well.